How to add contacts on Mailchimp. So from the main page of Mailchimp, we want to focus on the left hand side. Click on audience here and we will go to the all contacts list. Once we have selected this option for all contacts, you will be able to see this add contacts. Once we click on this drop down menu, then we can select import contacts or add a subscriber. I'm going to import contacts. And this will look like the very first time you upload contacts to Mailchimp. So you can import it from another device, you can upload a file, or you can copy and paste it directly. So I'm just going to do the last method, click on continue. And here we have to type out the email address, the first, last name, and the address itself. So I'm just going to do an example email here. First, last name and address, and we have to click on continue to organize. Then here we can select their status. They can be subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed. I will do unsubscribe, and we can also update any existing contacts. And then we have to click on continue to tag, and here we can create tags. So we can do influencer, we can do 2024, and we have to click on continue to match. And it's going to look like this. We can recognize some other stuff here, and we can finalize the import, and then you can complete the import by clicking on this button. And there we go. We can now have this person in our contacts. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.